Have you ever designed a beautiful website in Figma but didn't know how to make it clickable like a real website? In this video, how to prototype your website pages in Figma even if you're a complete beginner. If you're learning Figma and want to create professional website design, prototyping is a skill you need to learn. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to connect multiple pages, create clickable buttons, and present your website like a real working site. Once your design is ready, like what I did last time, I made home page and then booking page. So go to the right side panel and click prototype. This is where the magic happens. Prototype mode allows us to create interactions and connect pages together. After you click the prototype, click the home frame and then click the let's talk about it, and that is our CTA or call to action. Once you select your CTA button or call to action button, drag the blue connector to your booking page. And then something will pop up that is the interaction setting, where you can see animate matching layers, direction, ease, duration. You can also choose the different kinds of animation on that panel. All you need to do is to explore that panel. Now let's find all the CTA button and connect it into booking page. Now, how you connect the booking frame into home frame? So it's just the same step. Click the button where you can connect the booking page into a home frame. And now let's see the result. If you want a full tutorial of this video, just click the link below and visit my YouTube channel for the complete step-by-step guide.